So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating my space with pillows and throws. Come on with me, guys. Now I'm using the items that I already have. So I'm going to be showing you a couple of ways that I can decorate this chair right here. And let's see how they turn out. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Decorating with Pillows and Throws, open collaboration. That means anyone can join, guys. And this is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Jennifer at Home, and May's Design Corner. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you for supporting my channels, and I will be linking those down below in the description box. So I think this throw is absolutely beautiful. It says Man of God, and this was a gift given to my son Matthew. Remember that as in all collaborations, we always follow YouTube etiquette. Make sure and click the like button, leave a beautiful comment, guys, and subscribe to the channels if you haven't already done so. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the video. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.